Not all of the ideas for my 52 and 22 cooking challenge have come from cookbooks per se. First of all, this is Linda Ronstadt's memoir, Simple Dreams. Uh, she's a phenomenal musical artist. The book is fascinating. I cannot recommend it highly enough. So when she released a new book, which is right here, called Feels Like Home, a song for the Sonoran borderlands, I bought it and I discovered that they had some recipes inside from her childhood growing up in Arizona on the Mexican border. So we're gonna cook from that, and it's pretty straightforward, but what makes it kind of fun is, of course, chiles and onion and some potato. It is a queso cheese soup, but not a cheese soup like one of those creamy ones that's all kind of goopy cheesy. No, the base of this is actually chicken stock and milk. And then what you do is you take the queso, which is hard, it's not creamy queso, it's not a dip. So you take the queso and you chop it up and put it in afterwards. So you get a little bite of cheese as opposed to the cheesiness throughout the entire thing. So to honor Linda Ronstadt, her incredible music, and her life, we are going to cook from her book, Feels Like Home.